Can you imagine you're in high school? High school. Once upon a time, I thought high school was just a very big place. It was higher than the other places based on where it was built. And then I realized that it's a place, it's a stage. You are here, prep primary, for years, where the teachers used to probably take your lunches for you. The teachers used to take you to the bathrooms. The parents knew all the teachers' names. The parents knew exactly where to find you during this time. Yes, you had one classroom, and you would just sit in that one classroom, and the teachers would come to you. And sometimes for playtime, you have a special area that you would play. You are moving from here to here. Can you imagine? Bigger ladder, more expectations. Yes, this is high school. 16 subjects sometimes you have to undertake, 16 different teachers, 16 different sets of exercise books, 16 different textbooks. You move from place to place for your classes. Sometimes it will take you a long time to know the teachers' names. Those challenging subjects that you have to do. But guess what? Those subjects are the same ones you started in prep and primary school. Or you now have to go to the lunch line to probably interface with about 350 other students in the same grade level. The teachers can be selfish in high school. They all give you homework and they expect the homework at the same time. Wow. You might be just so concerned because you have all of these things to cope with. But there are other fun things about your high school that are similar to your primary school. You have barbecue, you have PTA meetings, you have sports day, you have situations where you can have meetings with your parents. Same things again in high school. So don't be flustered. Don't be flustered. So allow me to congratulate you. Yes? Nice big round of applause. You went through some challenging times. You remember those nights when you had to sit up for hours to study? Some of you went to Saturday class, Sunday class, Monday class, every day of the week. But guess what? When you get to high school, it's not a honeymoon thing. It's not a chill thing. You're not on a cruise. High school is the same thing. Can you imagine now? 16 different subjects, or 14 different subjects, or 12 different subjects. We expect the same amount from you. So while you are in high school, sometimes the applause might be this. It might be this. Yes. It might be this. Some people's applause might just go down to this. But guess what? Parents and teachers will be supporting you. We are here to guide you. So today we are just going to be sharing some basic foundation things that must assist you when you start your high school. I'm sensing anxiety because when people tell you that you have so many subjects, so many different teachers, and the expectations are so high, and you hear terms like GPA, grade point average, that means after 5 years, everything again will be added up and you see exactly how you perform in high school. You said, gee whiz, all of these expectations, I'm picking up anxious parents. Yeah, my antenna tell me some parents are anxious. My antenna tells me that some students are very anxious. Very anxious. You don't need to be anxious, because what I'm going to be assisting you with, you are already brilliant, right? I'm going to assist you with something. Look at this. You all have come into high school with great deal of potential. Whole lot of potential. Our responsibility, look carefully, is to brighten you up. Yes? To empower you. To make you feel great about yourself. To allow you to realize your dreams and your expectations, to help you to plan for your goals. Yes. Our expectations in high school of you are very high. And we know that if we pray over you, yes, if we allow you to find yourself in a positive way, this is what will happen. We'll continue to brighten you up. We'll continue to find your potential. So yes, you're going to enter the co-curricular activities because we have that in high school. Yes, see there? Nice and sharp and bright. And some people, you'll have to go again and you continue the journey. You brighten them up. And parents, this is where you come in. You need each day to empower your child. Do not compare your child with other people's children in high school. People are different. Children learn differently. So guess what? You're going to hug. You're going to empower. You're going to pray. You're going to find your children's weaknesses and you're going to help them. You're not going to say to them, so how is it that so-and-so get X amount of marks and you can't get it? No. You are going to find what is it that works for your child and you're going to help them to brighten them up. And this must happen all the years of high school. All the years, parents must be there for the children. Parents must be there for the children. And of course, the teachers will be there. But I'm appealing to the parents more that you need to play your part. You need to brighten up and empower your children. My parents, because our children are so anxious and you know the trials and tribulations they went through for this high school. I know some of you might be pleased with where they are placed and some of you are not pleased. We're going to be getting into that. Be careful of the energy you send to them, okay? You need to position yourself, again, like this antenna. Be close to your children. Be close to them. Connect with them and know when they're having challenges. Because high school is not going to be easy, you know. And plus, as I said before, that some of you might not like where your child is placed. But anywhere they are planted, you water them and give them and nurture them and they will grow. So I needed to connect with your children. You remember what I did with the book? I added color. We added color to our children. Watch and see if your child might be having nightmares. At high school will bring that on. Some start wetting the bed. Some start cutting themselves. Yes, it happens in high school. Some start drugs. Some start getting in sexual activities. You need to connect with the children. Yeah? You need to position your antenna. You need to find time to talk with them. Find time. Just don't ask them how the grades are doing. Ask them how is life. Who is your friend? Yes? Position yourself. Find out what they had for lunch. Compliment them daily. Listen to the conversations that they have with their peers. You need to connect with your children. You need to know what is happening. You cannot be here and your children are there. No, it's everybody together and connect.
Thank you for watching. Please visit our website at joandaviswilliams.com. Be blessed.